My name is Travis Feihauser, and I'm a mechanical engineer at Pearson Packaging. Mechanical engineering, we have a concept that comes down from applications, and it is our job to design a product that meets the customer's needs. The customer has lots of requirements, and usually we're given a spec sheet and a floor plan. It's kind of like the front of a puzzle box, but it's our job to make the puzzle pieces and make them fit in a way that works. Pearson Packaging, we design, manufacture automated packaging equipment. At Eastern Washington University, took the mechanical engineering program, ended up loving it. Found an internship here about 5 years ago. I've been here ever since. On a normal day, I spend a lot of my time 3D modeling on my computer, coming up with a design for the machine that is going to be built eventually. Part of my day is working and collaborating with other team members, whether it be another engineer or a member of our assembly crew. So there is demand for mechanical engineers everywhere because everything you use has been touched by an engineer, likely. The mechanical engineering degree is very broad. There are many different ways you could use it. You could go into aerospace, you could go into structural, like civil sector. You could even go into some electrical stuff. There's opportunities basically anywhere that you look.
Learn more at careerexplorenw.org.